Hi everybody, I'm Russ with Dulaney Drafting and Design, and today we're going to be unboxing the new LIX Pen WAT T power bank and watch for the LIX Pen, smallest 3D printer pen in the world. So let's get started. Let's open this up. So attractive packaging that matches the LIX Pen itself. Looks nice and durable. So make a nice storage case for it. So, ooh, here's the watch itself. I thought it was going to be bigger and chunkier looking. So looks real sleek, and I guess as sleek as it could be. Let's get some measurements on it here. This is a good, it's about 1.5 inches wide. We got a good about almost 2 inches tall here, and the thickness is coming in here 0.570, just over 1/2 inch thick. Now your display is about same, just over 1/2 inch wide and or tall, and about 1.125 inches wide. It's the display on the watch. Now you can see there's only 2 buttons on either side, and then you have your port here for the charging and for the power. And let's see what else is in the package here. Alright, so you got your instructions on charging, operation. Now, looks like what you got here is your USB power cable, and they're giving you, here you go, this is a male to male, this is a, like an extension here. They're giving you other connectors here. It looks like what they're doing is they're letting you charge your LIX Pen or even your smartphone. They have adapters here for the common Android and Apple phones. Now you see with the end that they're giving you here, it can connect one end here, the other would go to your watch. I just turned it on. Anyway, you would plug the power in to your pen that way, right off of the watch. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this. Look for a video very soon that we do where we're actually using the two. We're going to do a review in that. We were just doing the unboxing today. But you can see this is really nice and sharp. It's pretty lightweight. And this is going to make a nice addition to making your LIX Pen nice and portable. So look at that. So again, look for more videos on that. Thank you for watching, and happy 3D printing.